comprehensive guide to Land Rover and Jaguar key programming with Autel IM508/IM608, OBD and bench programming explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Today, we've got something exciting for you, so stick around and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's get started. Let's dive into a more detailed explanation of the procedures for adding a key to a Land Rover or Jaguar vehicle using the Autel IM508/IM608 tool, both via OBD and on the bench. Add key via OBD. Example model, 2019 Range Rover. 1. Identification and selection. Use the Autel tool to identify the vehicle and select the appropriate options for the make, model, and year, 2019 Range Rover. 2. Confirmation and IMMO status scan. Confirm the vehicle profile and proceed to scan the IMMO status to understand the current key configuration. 3. RFA replacement and key addition. Select RFA replacement and then add key from the menu options provided by the Autel tool. 4. Follow prompts. Follow the prompts displayed on the tool's interface, which will guide you through the key programming process. Ensure to have at least 2 keys available for learning, as per the tool's requirements. 5. Ultra-wideband UWB routine. If prompted, perform the UWB routine as part of the key learning process. 6. Key learning. Place the new smart key to be learned within range and follow the instructions to initiate the learning process. Repeat the process if the key is not detected initially, ensuring to press the unlock button firmly for the specified duration. 7. Final verification. After successful key learning, ensure that all registered keys are functioning correctly by placing them near the gear selector lever or in the cup holder as instructed. Add key on bench. Example model, 2018/2019 Jaguar F-Pace, with only 1 key. 1. Attempt OBD programming. Initially, attempt key programming via OBD using the Autel tool. If the OBD programming fails due to an unknown software version or other issues, proceed with bench programming. 2. Read chip status. Determine whether the chip in the key is locked or unlocked by reading its status using the Autel tool. 3. Select programming mode. Based on the chip status, select the appropriate programming mode, secured or unsecured, for reading or writing the chip. 4. Start key writing procedure. Follow the instructions provided by the Autel tool, referencing wiring diagrams if necessary, to initiate the key writing process on the bench. 5. Chip programming. Select the proper chip type and follow the step-by-step instructions provided by the Autel tool to program the key on the bench. 6. Final verification. After completing the key programming process, ensure to test the newly programmed key to confirm its functionality. Additional considerations. Throughout both procedures, it's crucial to meticulously follow the instructions provided by the Autel tool and refer to any wiring diagrams or additional documentation as needed. Prioritize safety and accuracy during the key programming process to avoid any potential issues or errors. If encountering difficulties or uncertainties during the programming process, consult the Autel tool's user manual or seek assistance from experienced technicians or support resources. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this dive into the world of automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.